Ever seen fireworks up close? But what if those fireworks were literally attached to your feet? This is insane. This guy is doing a handstand while launching fireworks straight from his feet on the streets of Berlin, Germany. Check out this mix of acrobatic skill and explosive colors. It's the literal definition of straight fire. Is this epic or just plain dangerous? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more crazy stunts.